There's a big game played right now for the oil prices and the stock energy as a whole, because the price went crazy up, then went down. Right now today went up again. So how we could react to make some money? Okay, we have fundamental, but we can control the fundamental. Let's get right to technical and try to make sense of the crazy market that we have in this year. So let's get right to it and try to make sense out of it. We have even strike with 500 Richmond Pioneer worker. Like this is could be affect the price of oil and make it skyrocket. However, Chevron said it will not affect anything and the price will be the same. I don't know about that. We'll discuss this regarding the technical, because in the technical we talk about first CEI. If you didn't saw our video that we talk about CEI, and the 8th of March when we predict the short seller coming around what the $1.84, and we predicted in this box where we have our resistant drawn, and we said just be careful here, we're gonna see a massive resistance, and that's why we visited here around the $1.84, and you can look here, perfect rejection as we predicted to have. That's why I always suggest to my hunter and Patreon to take a profit. Some people tell you $10, $5, we might go there in the future. However, in the meantime, if you swing trade, take profit around the resistance and buy around the support, because what we said before, the price will go to gravitate to fill the gap. We filled the gap and we went up again and tested the $1. And guess what? We said the $1 is the resistance, and we talked about it in the pre-market today, and even we did analysis for it, and we said here is the resistance. If we go in the TradingView community, and you can see that we already did our analysis for CEI in pre-market, and it was as we said, we're gonna have the price test the $1 and then go back down. So if we go here in my TradingView community, you can follow me over there. You can see that we already did the analysis, and we said this. We said the resistant testing, the resistant around the $1. You see, around the $1 exactly. So right now, let me just go back to our chart and see what's going on for CEI and make sense of this equation, because look with me what's going on. We entered again inside this triangle. We're still doing higher lows. Look with me. Higher lows 3 times here, and right now a rejection here. So what we should expect right now, we expect the price continue to hold above this triangle in order to see the price at least consolidate here. The moment that we close above the $1 next time, as we said, we're gonna see a test around the $1.45. There is a resistance here. Just be careful. It's called midway resistance. And don't be panicking. The moment that even we get rejected here, we want to hold above the $1. Then we get in this box or in this area where we gonna see another level of squeeze, which would be below the $2, which is the $2.92. Right now, CEI is kind of have ended this engine phase, even though we have other stock went up, energy stock, one of them, this one, BTU, and we already hunt for it before on 8th of March with CEI, because we've been requested with PayPal and BBIG and MULN. We discussed this on 8th of March as well, and you can look here what we said around MULN. For BTU, we said and the pre-market was around the 21.74, and we said this is the support that should be respected before we gonna see the price go up again. Here, this is the support, the 1946. Then we're gonna see the price gravitate up for BTU after we hold above this support. That's what happened right now exactly for BTU, and you see it perfect bounce from the 19 and the price consolidate and went up. So for BTU is really strong because if you can see the last earning is kind of good compared to CEI, and the CEI have a bit of problem with like a filing with the SEC and the date for the 10K file, and this is kind of make the price consolidate and not jumping yet, because we don't have a definite date for the 10K, which is really important for the merger with the Viking stock. So this is kind of like energy stock directly connected with the fundamental. The price of oil go up, shortage, strike, we're gonna see the price go up. Even war, we're gonna see the price go up simply. And the price go up for energy stock, the blue chip company, and the other sector go down. So this is kind of you can hedge your portfolio if you know and you time the market when the other stock will go down. You could hold a bit of energy stock. You buy around the support and sell around the resistance and reload. Even if the market go down, you be ready because you already sell around the resistance. So whatever your strategy is, you can make the same strategy of hunting strategy, which is buy around the support, selling around the resistance and reload. But you have to be controlled for your emotion or your FOMO level, because when you see the price go over our resistance, you get in and you break your strategy and the price go down and you started losing and holding. We don't want to see this happen to you. If you swing trade, this is a bad idea. If you hold for a long run, this is a different strategy, because you just buy around the support. Because a lot of people, even if they want to invest for some stock, they buy around the top because they think the stock will never go down around the support. Then the price go down and they don't have money to average down. So be strategic. Be smart like insider. They don't buy around the resistance, they buy around the support. If you don't know how to buy and how to sell, you can join us in Patreon. Link comment section below with Discord and TradingView community, where we do alert for a lot of stocks. Crypto as well, if you ask me to do review for you. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.